How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find a lost or stolen Android phone. So before we head over to our Google browser, just make sure you had your account logged in, Google account logged into that particular device, which in the device which you just lost or probably might have stolen. So in that case, what you want to do is, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your browser and just click on Find My Device. And once you search in for the Find My Device, just click on the first link over here, and here you'll have to sign in to the account which you had previously logged into that particular stolen account, stolen device. So just click on sign in from over here. So once you sign into your account, it will just locate your territory of your mobile device to see where it's actually located right now. And from over here you can also see the device option to play the sound, which will ring the sound to that particular device, your lost device or stolen device. You can also secure device just by simply clicking on it. So what it does is basically will be logged with its pin or pattern or password, and you will be signed out of your Google account on the device, and you can still locate it. You can just click on secure device to secure device, or you can simply click on factory reset your device to completely reset all the settings from that particular stolen device, so that you can prevent your data from being breached or stolen. So that is exactly how you can easily find a lost or stolen Android phone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.